Today, we will demonstrate how to assemble the Metro Wire bun pan racks. This video will cover the following models. A rubber mallet is required for assembly, while a pair of needle nose pliers may be required to assist in caster installation. Begin by unboxing your product and identifying all the included parts. You will have 4 posts, 2 wire frames, 2 pan slides, 4 casters, 8 pairs of aluminum split sleeves with retaining rings, and 12 crutch tips. Our E3S units come with 2 swivel casters and 2 brake casters, while other models come with 4 swivel casters. The first step is to install the casters to each post. Press the caster until the C-ring compresses and fits inside the post. Use your rubber mallet to tap each caster firmly into place. If the C-ring isn't fitting into the post properly, try squeezing the ring with a pair of needle nose pliers. Repeat this step until you're able to fit all 4 casters into their posts. Next, place split sleeves at the lowest groove on each post. Make sure the wide end of each sleeve faces down. With the bottom frame on its side, slide each post into the frame from underneath. Stand the rack assembly upright and apply pressure to each corner using your mallet until the frame locks into place. With the bottom frame secure, install your pan slides between the front and back posts, creating the sides of the rack. If you have an end load, the slides must be installed on the long side of the frame. If you have a side load model, the slides must be installed on the short side of the frame. Ensure the wire with the longer ends faces the top and the wires with the shorter ends face the bottom. The horizontal wire must face inward. Push down firmly to lock it into place on both sides. To install the top shelf frame, attach the split sleeves at the top groove of each post with the wide end facing down. Slide the top frame onto the posts and apply pressure to each corner to lock it in place. This part may require the help of a second person to align the top just right. Then, lightly tap the top with the mallet to seat the wire frame into place. With both frames in place, add the retaining ring to the visible groove on each of the 8 aluminum split sleeves. Finally, add the crutch tips to the exposed wire at the top of the slides. Your Metro Pan rack is now fully assembled and ready for use.